Welcome to Smart with Points, the podcast where we dive into the world of travelling with miles and points. I'm your host, Jack, and today we're going to talk about how to maximise your Avios by paying HMRC through Curve. As we approach the end of the year, many of us are preparing for various HMRC payments, whether it's VAT, corporation tax, or self-assessment payments. But did you know that there's a clever way to earn Avios points from these necessary expenses? The key to making this work is combining Curve's fronted feature with an Avios-earning credit card. Curve allows you to make payments to HMRC, which typically charge a high fee for accepting a credit card, while earning rewards on your preferred card. To make this work, you'll need a Curve Pay Pro Plus subscription, which costs £17.99 per month, and either a Barclaycard Avios Plus for personal payments or a Capital on Tap business card for business payments. Now let's talk about the limits. Curve's fronted allowance is currently £3,000 per rolling 30-day period, not calendar month, without fees. Any amount over this incurs a 2.5% fee, which generally isn't worth it for points earning. But here's where it gets interesting. HMRC allows you to prepay your VAT and potentially other tax obligations. This means you could theoretically use your full £3,000 allowance 12 times per year, leading to £36,000 of fee-free payments and significant Avios earning potential. So, what could you earn by maximising the full £36,000 annual potential? Using the Barclaycard Avios Plus, you could earn 54,000 Avios, which is equivalent to £540 to £648 in value, assuming a conservative valuation of 1 to 1.2 pence per Avios. The Curve Pay Pro Plus annual fee would be £215.88, leaving you with a net value of £324.12 to £432.12. Now, let's talk about the smart timing strategy. The rolling 30-day period means you need to be strategic about timing. You should track your rolling 30-day usage carefully, set calendar reminders for when your allowance refreshes, plan your prepayments around your allowance refresh dates, and consider setting up a spreadsheet to track payment dates and amounts. We also have some pro tips for you. Always check your HMRC account balance before making prepayments. Keep detailed records of prepayments for your accountant, and remember that prepayments sit in your HMRC account until needed, so consider your cash flow carefully. If you're a business owner making regular VAT payments, the Capital on Tap business card, combined with Curve, can be particularly valuable. The card has no Forex fees and offers additional business-specific benefits. So, is it worth it? Let's look at the annual value proposition using the Barclaycard Avios Plus example. The 54,000 Avios value is equivalent to £540 to £648, and the Curve Pay Pro Plus annual fee is £215.88, leaving you with a net value of £324.12 to £432.12. Finally, remember to view this as a points earning opportunity on money you need to spend anyway. Never compromise your business's cash flow just to earn points. Always consult with your accountant about the implications of prepaying your tax obligations. That's it for today's episode. Thanks for listening, and don't forget to subscribe to Smart with Points on all major platforms or on our website at smartwithpoints.co.uk. We'll catch you in the next episode.